Hey my loves, are blackheads ruining your smooth skin? You're not alone. So many of you have been reaching out frustrated with those pesky little dots, and trust me, I get it. That's why today we're going to talk about natural science-backed ways to get rid of blackheads right at home. You ready to ditch those blackheads for good? Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Let's get started. First up, we're heading straight to your kitchen for this super simple and effective mask. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants and natural acids that work wonders on blackheads. Just mash a ripe tomato, apply it to blackhead-prone areas, and let it work overnight. In the morning, rinse it off with lukewarm water and get ready to see the difference. Next, we're combining the power of lemons and sea salt for a scrub that leaves your skin smooth and refreshed. Mix fresh lemon juice with a pinch of sea salt to create a paste. Apply it to clean skin, gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and say hello to brighter, smoother skin. Remember, always be gentle with your skin, especially when using exfoliants. This one might sound strange, but trust me, plain white toothpaste with menthol and baking soda can work wonders on blackheads. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste directly onto your blackheads, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. You might be surprised at how effective this simple trick can be. Let's move on to a remedy that smells amazing and works wonders for banishing blackheads. Combine 1 tablespoon of raw honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Gently massage this mixture onto your skin for 3 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Baking soda is a pantry staple that can be a powerful ally in the fight against blackheads. Mix baking soda with water to create a thick paste. Apply it to your skin, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Avoid using this mask more than once a week to prevent dryness and irritation. This oatmeal and yogurt mask is perfect for those with sensitive skin who still want to tackle blackheads. Combine 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the mask to your face, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with cool water. For an extra boost, add a splash of lemon juice. Your skin will feel soothed, refreshed, and oh so soft. We're going to use egg whites to create a pore-tightening mask that will lift blackheads out of your skin. Separate 1 to 2 egg whites from the yolks and whisk them with 1 teaspoon of honey until frothy. Apply a thin layer to your skin, let it dry, and then apply a second layer. Wait 15 minutes, then gently peel it off. You'll be amazed at how much gunk this mask pulls out of your pores. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of green tea powder with honey or aloe vera gel to create a paste. Apply it to your skin, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Your skin will feel refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the day. And there you have it, my loves. 8 amazing natural remedies to help you say goodbye to blackheads and hello to clear, radiant skin. Incorporate these remedies into your routine and you'll start to see a difference in your skin's clarity and texture. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends so they can join us on this journey to healthy, happy skin.